Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy Thursday morning sa inyo lahat. Today is January 4, 2024. So, again, Happy New Year sa inyo. Okay, so for today, this morning is meron tayong kakaibang reading. Okay, so our reading right now is a general reading, but this is a pick a card edition. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, meron kayong nakikitang dalawang stone. Okay. This is pile number 1 with this brown stone. Okay. And this is pile number 2, the aventurine stone, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. This is the pile number 2. Okay. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is pipili lang kayo ng pile kung ano yung sa tingin ninyo na mag-resonate sa inyo. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Hindi ako ngayon naglagay ng card bawat isa na pile kasi I'm going to shuffle it. Kasi this is a general reading. So, by the way, this is a love. Okay, when it comes to love. So, kung meron tayong mapipick up about family, about job, work, etc., sasabihin ko naman yun, guys. Okay, so, pili lang kayo ng pile. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Pile number 1 is the brown-red stone, while the pile number 2 is the violet or blue stone. Okay, so, pili na kayo, guys. Which pile yung sa tingin ninyong mag-resonate sa inyo. I will give you seconds to choose your stone or pile. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Pili na kayo, guys. Doon sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa akin, okay, please consider subscribing if nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin ngayong araw. So, kung nakapili na kayo, guys, ng stone, okay, I will start with pile number 1, which is the stone, brown, and this is a red. Okay. So, tabi lang natin si stone number 2. Okay. So, kung ang stone na napili mo ay ito, this is your general love reading. Okay. So, uulitin ko sa inyo. Magsisimula tayo sa ating tarot cards. Ulitin ko sa inyo, take what's resonate. Energy is a vice versa. So, hinaan ninyo ang volume ng inyong cellphone kasi baka malakas ang feedback, okay, ng pag-shuffle ko ng card, okay? So, pile number 1, general reading. Okay. Ano yung mga dapat ninyong malaman when it comes to general love section ninyo? Okay. Take what's resonate, guys, and leave the rest. Okay. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading or yung story, energy na pick up, leave it, okay? Kasi po pwedeng mag-resonate yon sa ibang nanonood. Okay. Oh. This is a love reading. Okay, first card. Ooh, Gemini. Yung iba sa inyo po pwedeng nasa partnership ngayon. Yes. A new connection can be a new connection. Yung iba sa inyo is a earth sign. Yes. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Uy. Dealing with more than one person. Okay, 2 person. Okay, or 3. Okay, it can be you're dealing with more than one person. It can be maraming nanliligo sa'yo right now. Okay. So, love section. Okay. It can be you are in relationship, pile number 1. Yung iba sa inyo in relationship, yung iba sa inyo, someone is going to offer you a cup of love. Okay. Emotional start, okay. Both page, okay. But you're representing as a Queen of Pentacles, which is a very matured, grounded female person. It could be a businesswoman, okay, high social person, yes, independent, financially kind of a person, a wealthy person, okay. Pero kasi, meron ako nakikita dito na you are dealing with a pages, okay, a knight, okay. We have a Knight of Swords, Page of Cups, and a Knight of Pentacles, okay. Um, Offering you a love, okay? So, pwede nanliligaw. Pero itong mga to is a knight comparing to a Queen of Pentacles. Yes? Okay, there's a big changes, okay? Someone is a Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is a very assertive kind of a person. A direct person, yes, a talkative and impatient, impulsive kind of a person. So if this is a suitor of yours, okay, someone who wants to offer some love on you, okay, o pwedeng you are dealing with it at three person right now. Mm-hmm. An earth sign, a water sign, and an air sign. Maybe this is a potential soulmate of yours. It can be. Kaso kasi may nakikita ko na puro mga bata pa kasi ito. Young. Young at age. Or po pwedeng young mentally. Or po pwedeng young lang talaga mag-act. Or kumilos. When it comes to decision making. Okay. Wants to offer a cup of love, a marriage. Okay. Meron naman ako nakita dito na po pwedeng married ka na before, okay, diborsyado, diborsyada. It can be, or hiwalay na, annulled na, okay. Meron ako nakikitang annulled na. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Uy. Ay, my gosh. You have so many options. Okay. The lovers. Bottom of the deck is a lovers card. Okay. Major choices. Um, you have so many options right now if you are the feminine here. Someone wants to offer you a married, a partnership, a commitment. Maybe you are dealing with a poor person. One is a king of cups while the others are pages and knights, okay? Multiple possibilities, opportunities. You are in a peak position, okay? Or a decision making. Okay, or if you are dealing with more than 2, 3, or 4 person, others are pages and knights. But someone is a king, okay? So if you are going to choose a love option in your life right now, kung ikaw ang feminine and you are dealing with so many options right now sa love section mo. Others are pages and knights, okay? So be careful. While the other one is a king, okay? A matured person, a very compassionate kind of a person, okay? Affectionate kind of a person, a romantic and a charming, and a family-oriented kind of a person, okay? So, yung iba dito is not matured while the other one is a king na katulad mo, nasa queen. So, meron dito, wag kang, alam mo yun, be very careful on choosing. Kasi maybe, masyado kang naguguluminahan, clouded ang judgment mo, okay, kaya hindi ka makapili pa, okay? Meron akong nakikita na ganon. Hindi pa makapili, okay, right now. Be very careful na lang, okay, sa pagpili ng partner, boyfriend, or a married potential, okay, yung magiging lifetime partner mo, okay? File number 1. So, tingnan pa natin. Yes. So, tingnan pa natin. So, what's the kailangan mo pang malaman. Okay. Shine. Shine card. Oops. Uy! Okay. Oh. My God. Someone wants you back. File number 1. This is someone, can be someone from the past. Okay. Using a this person use a fake account to spy on you. Yes. This person sees you right now shining, okay? And this person is being irritated or hindi mapakali, naiinis, kasi this person maybe nakikita na marami kang options on your love section right now. So take what's resonate. This person wants you back. Okay, this person is using a fake account, social media to spy. It can be a Facebook, Instagram, or a Twitter, or any social media nga application. Okay. Maybe this person right now sees you that maybe you're hustling right now. Focus on your money. This is someone na pwedeng hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. Okay, or nagalit ka dito sa person na to. Yes. May nakikita ko ditong nagalit ka dito sa person na to. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. File number 1. Tingnan natin. Later, I will be using the same card, same deck that I use ngayon sa file number 1, ha? Doon sa ating file number 2. So, tingnan pa natin. Ano pa ba yung mga lalabas? This person is spying on you. Maybe naka-block tong person na to doon sa account mo. Kaya hindi makapag-spy to. Yes. Someone feels that he sabotaged your connections. Okay. Kaya siguro nagalit ka dito sa person na to. Yes. You will recognize this person kasi this someone is nakagawa ng mali sa'yo before. It can be your ex. Yes. And maybe this person thinks that galit ka pa rin sa kanya right now. Hindi to happy sa nangyari sa inyong dalawa. This person thinks that you're still mad at him or her. Take what's resonate, guys. This person looks at you very successful right now. Okay. This person recognize his fault, okay? And bottom of the deck, regretting, okay? This person is regretting kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo before. Kasi, maybe this person sees, nakita na nito, and intindihan na. Bakit ka nagalit? Bakit ka nabwisit? Okay, ano yung reason bakit kayo nagkahiwalay? Okay. Recognize his fault or her fault. Okay. And hindi siya satisfied sa life niya right now. Okay? Kasi nga nakikita ka nito na you are shining right now. You are shining right now. And this person is nag-aalala. Yes. Nanghihinayang. Regret. Doon sa nangyari sa inyo. Kasi feeling niya siguro miss opportunity ka. Yes. Oo. Pile number 1. Oh, 'di ba? This person is stressed and overwhelmed. Nai-stress to kasi siguro nga naka-block to sa'yo. Sa social media mo, wala kayong communication itong person na to. Hindi kanya makausap. Hindi niya alam kung paano kanya kakausapin. Okay? This person, ginawan ka ng pagkakamali. Okay? Kasi this person wish that he can right his wrong or her wrong sa'yo. Okay, naintindihan nyo ba, guys? This person still longing for you. Namimiss ka nito kausap, namimiss ka nito katawagan, yung connections ninyo is nire-reminisce nito. Okay. Maybe he sees your importance right now. Okay, nakita na nito kung ano ka sa buhay niya. Okay. Oh. You are very beautiful and shining right now because you are doing your self-love. Okay. You are in a self-love journey right now, guys. Doon sa ating mga female, okay? You are doing self-love right now. Okay. And alam nung person na yon na nag-aalala kasi to na pwedeng galit ka pa sa kanya. Okay? Grudge holder. Kaya ayaw pa nitong mag-act, ayaw pa nitong kumilos. Oo. Ayaw pa nitong mag-message. Or pwede nga naka-block to Naka-block to sa'yo kaya hindi niya alam kung paano ka kausapin. And spying na lang ang alam niyang gawin. Ayun lang yung nakikita niya. Mag-spy. Okay, so tingnan natin, ano ba yung ano? Ano ba yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Pile number 1. So, kunin natin yung ating love confession messages. So, ano ba gusto sabihin itong person na to sa'yo, ha? Pile number 1. Saka mo lang malalaman yung importance ng person kapag nawala na sa'yo. Sabagay, gano'n naman siguro talaga, no guys, no? Kapag nawala na yung person, saka lang nalalaman yung importansya ng person. Oo. Usual na kasi yun eh, na gano'n. Kapag wala na sa buhay, this person wants you back. Meron ako narinig. Wants you back? Oh my God. So, tingnan natin. Ano bang message itong person sa'yo? File number 1. Ano bang gusto niya sabihin? Then, tingin tayo na ano ba yung advice sa'yo sa love messages? Number 1, messages of this person. Guys, marami pa kayong aabangan ha sa ating channel kasi I have new decks, okay? Finding out the truth crushed me. See? This person merong nalaman about sa'yo. Okay? It can be this person knows na maraming suitors ka ngayon, maraming nanliligaw sa'yo. Yes. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Diba? This person still thinks about you. Wants you back. Okay. I'm starting to understand our connection. See? Tingnan nyo guys ha. Okay. Understanding. I see your side of the story and I'm starting to understand our connection. Yes? Diba? This person realized something. This is a tower moment on this person. Okay? Meron tong na-realize sa buhay niya. And siguro yung separation ninyo is kailangan yon para ma-realize niya yung pagkakamali niya, yung kasalanan niya. Ha? So, tingnan pa natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 card pa. Para sa akin pa number 1. 3 cards pa number 1. Oops. I couldn't let you get close to me. Oh my gosh. Two cards. Oops. Oh my God. I love you. This person still love you. Okay. Last card. This person wants you back. Oh my God. Look. I'm afraid to contact you. Ano yung sabi ko kanina? This person is afraid to contact you, to message you. Why? Because natatakot siya na baka galit ka pa sa kanya. Okay, grudge holder. Natatakot siya na baka galit ka pa sa kanya. Masama pa yung loob mo sa kanya. Okay, kaya afraid to na kontakin ka. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Yun. I'm afraid to contact you. And I wish I could take back my word. So, meron ditong pagsasalitaan ng hindi maganda, ng nakakasakit. Okay? Yes, meron ako nakikita dito na merong pagsasalitaan ng hindi maganda. Emotional abuse via words. Okay? Oo. Okay, so sino ba tong person na to? Pile number 1, ikaw nakakilala niyan, ikaw nakakaalam niyan. Take what's resonate, kung sino ba to. Itong person na to na gusto kang balikan, gusto makipagbalikan sa'yo kasi na-realize niya yung pagkakamali niya. Na-realize niya na mahal ka pa niya. Yes. Nagsisisi siya dun sa mga binitawan niyang salita sa'yo. Naiintindihan niya na ngayon kung ano yung pagkakamali or dahilan bakit kayo naghiwalay, kung ano ba yung kung meron ka mang sinabi sa kanya before, tapos parang yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit kayo nag-away, naiintindihan na itong person na to, bakit sinabi mo sa kanya yun. Okay? This person maybe find something na pwedeng maraming naliligaw sa'yo, or you have someone na right now proposing, okay, sa'yo. It can be. Or you are in a new relationship right now. So, take what resonate, guys. So, I hope nag-resonate sa itong reading na to para sa ating general love reading. Pick a card, pile number 1. Kung nag-resonate sa ito, please do subscribe, leave a comment. Okay? And like this video. Yes. Kung nakatulong ba sa itong reading natin ngayon. Okay? Nakalimutan kong bumunot sa'yo ng love messages oracle card, okay? So, bubunot lang ako na 3 card para sa'yo. Okay. So sorry guys, nakalimutan kong bumunot na love oracle. So, bunot lang tayo ng 3 bago ako mag-proceed kay pile 2. Okay. Give me 3 cards for my lovely pile number 1 viewers. Okay. Give me 3 cards for my lovely pile number 1 viewers. Okay. Love advice, love messages for them in this situation, in this reading. 3 cards, please. Oops. Thank you. Oops. Masyadong madami. Oh, interesting. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Last 1 card, please, for my pile 1. Thank you. Okay. So, first card is boundaries. Okay, you need to teach people how to treat you by being clear on what you will or won't allow. Okay? So, put boundaries if you don't want this person in your life. Okay? Kasi ikaw ang nagtuturo dun sa person or kung sino pa man yung in connection mo right now kung paano ka irespeto. Okay? You need to teach people to respect you o kung paano ka itrato. Kung ano yung inaalaw mo sa hindi. Okay, pile number 1. And separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Okay, so sabi ko nga, separated ka dito sa person na to. And have faith. The angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. Okay, for some of you, if you still want this person in your life, so sabi dito, wag mag-alala kasi the angels is working in the background, behind the scene, to make this relationship flourish. Para dun sa mga person na gusto pang makipagbalikan dito sa person nila. Okay? So, hindi lahat to mag-resonate sa inyo, guys. Okay? So, pile number 1, go na ako kay pile number 2. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Bye! Okay. I will go back the cards lang para pag sinapol natin mamaya is magagamit natin kasi same card lang yung aking gagamitin. Okay, so hi, pile number 2. If you choose this stone, okay, this aventuring, kung di ako nagkakamali, or this violet blue stone, this is your general love reading, okay? So, titingnan natin. Ano ba yung dapat mong malaman right now sa love mo? Okay, kung mag-resonate ba sa'yo yung reading na to? Okay, so start na tayo. Huwag na natin patagalin. Okay, I will shuffle this tarot card first. So, lower your volume, guys, kung sensitive ang tenga ninyo. Kasi mamaya baka malakas ang dating ng sounds sa side ninyo. Okay. So, general love reading. Ano yung mga kailangan ninyong malaman? Okay, sa love life. Take what's resonate lang, guys, ha? Kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag ipilit. Okay? Yes. Patayin ko lang tong isang kandila kasi wala nang wala nang tsa. Okay. So, number 2, general love reading. Okay. Kailangan nilang malaman. Oops! Thank you. Uy! Temperance. Teka lang, guys, ha. Tanggalin ko lang yung mitya nito. Isang kandila. Para malagyan natin ng bago. Temperance card. Balance. Patient. Okay. The angels is working on your love life right now. Uy. Temperance card. Balancing. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Sorry, guys, ha. Naglagay lang kasi ako ng kandila. Number 14. Number 14 significant on you. Maybe you are peaceful right now, being patient on your love life. Okay. Yung angel mo, guys, pile number 2 is doing something. Okay. Oops. Thank you. Ooh, King of Wands. Some of you is a King of Wands. Masculine. Confident kind of a person. A funny person. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, uy, wow. Wow, wow, wow. There is a new love. Okay, meron ako nakikitang new love, new person sa inyo, guys. New relationship. Or maybe you are in a new relationship right now. Okay. Oh my God, this is a king of wands. Maybe you are the king of wands or this person is a king of wands. Okay. Oh my God. Uy, there is a choice here. Okay, so maybe someone is making a decision, okay, or planning to offer you, okay, a new beginning in love or either in career, pero meron ako nakikita dito, new beginning in love, or maybe this is a fire sign, okay. It can be signify also a pregnancy, yes. And may nakikita ko dito, wants to offer, you have a new beginning also in finances, okay. Maybe you have a new job right now, a new business venture, okay, an investment, okay. So, meron ako nakikita dito na yung mga nagmamanifest sa inyo ng finances right now is magiging successful na kasi yung iba sa inyo naghahanap ng trabaho, magkakaroon ng bagong trabaho na, new job, okay, this 2024, okay, new job and a new love, okay, so, parehas to. Maybe you have taken the decision, okay, to go, okay, to go in a dating scene, okay, to have a new start with someone, okay. You are done waiting, okay. You are done waiting, okay. Kung meron kang hinihintay na trabaho, kung meron kang hinihintay na person, you are done waiting. You are taking action right now. You are having a decision. Bottom of the deck is a clarity. You have the clarity right now. Okay? Meron ka ng bagong plano. Yes. You clear your mind. Okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na someone is waiting. Oo. Someone is waiting. Either a career, if money, a person, okay. So, meron ako nakikita na may naghihintay. Pero, done na maghintay. Natagalan na siguro. Kaya, muuna yung desisyon nung isang person dito. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Or it can be kung hindi pa nakapag-decision sa inyo yung iba, magdedesisyon na soon. Okay, pa tayo ng kumukuha pa ako ng, oops, thank you. Uy! Siguro, it can do with a heartbreak before. Yes. Uy. Marriage. Bottom of the deck. Oh my God. Someone will done. Okay. Waiting. Yes. Or meron akong nakukuha dito May nakukuha ako dito kung ikaw ay in a 5 of Cups feeling sad or mourning over a heartbreak, okay? Or not stable emotionally and still focusing on lost, okay? Right now, kung ikaw ay nag-i-slack, okay? stress and overwhelm, okay, sa bagay-bagay. Huwag kang mag-alala, okay? Maybe you need to step back, take a rest, okay? Have a quiet, okay, quiet mind muna, wag mag-overthink because success is near. Why? The angel is working in in the background. You need to be patient, okay, to be balanced, okay, to be positive. Oo, kasi you have a new beginning in relationship, in love, in career, in work, in job, in finances. Meron ako nakikita dito. Okay? Oo. So, sana mag-resonate sa inyo yun, guys, ha? Okay, so titingnan pa natin. File number 2. Kailangan malaman ng file number 2. Right now. Yung ba sa inyo nag-overthink over something? Nagkukos ng stress sa inyo. Stop overthinking, okay? Rest. Hindi nakakatulog ng iba sa inyo, kakaisip. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God, giving money. Maybe someone wants to give you money. Huh? Oh. Pero kasi tumasik siya ng universe. Pero may babasahin natin na naka-upright. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck is moving on. Yes. Thank you. Next. If you are a person not totally move on from the past, okay, or move on any bad situation happened on you before, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-move on, meron ako nakikita dito na someone, okay, someone, a secret love, okay, someone who likes you or love you is spying on you or stalking on you online, okay, or watching you. This person wants to give you or help you on finances, okay. This person is will offer you. This is not a dirty offer, okay, kasi dirty offer kapag naka-upright kasi, this is hindi maganda yung offer nito, okay? Maybe siguro, bibigyan ka niya ng pera, pero may kapalit. Pero kapag naka-reverse to, maybe this person wants to help you genuinely. Gusto ka nito talagang tulungan, okay? Because this person is into you. Yes. Gusto ka nitong person na to. Itong person na nag-watch sa'yo or nag-i-spy sa'yo. This person is into you. Gusto ka niya. Okay? Genuinely like. Sorry guys, ako nabubulol-bulol ako. May gusto to sa'yo. Itong person na to na gusto kang tulungan. Okay? Or if may someone na nag-offer sa'yo ng help, okay? Gusto ka nitong bigyan ng pera. Gusto kang tulungan financially. Maybe this person is abundant kind of a person. Okay, so tingnan pa natin, guys. Kung ano pa yung mapipick up natin. Ngayon. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Oops. O, di ba? Conversation. This person wants to talk to you, wants to call you. Okay, this person is talking on you, watching you. And maybe this person knows that you are struggling right now. Maybe on finances or any reason why you are struggling right now. Space. Nakikita ko nito na ano na nag-iisa ka. Okay. Oh. This person will not give up. Uy. This person wants to talk to you. Okay. Hindi to basta-basta hindi to magi-give up. Maybe gusto mo mapag-isa, ayaw mo dito sa person na to. What I mean is, ayaw mo siguro tanggapin yung offer niya. It can be ayaw mo pa siguro ng any love, Okay, for some of you, sorry guys, napastop ako kasi may binigay sa akin na kape. Okay, so for some of you, you have an unfinished business with this person. Yung iba sa inyo, this is from the past, and yung iba naman sa inyo, this is a new love. Okay. O, diba? Bottom of the deck is a commitment, guys. I want you to be a part of my future. So, this person wants to commit to you, to have a commitment to you, with you. Okay, this person is into you. For some of you, this is a new person. For some of you, this is a past person. Okay? Yes. Ano kung iba nakikita dito na yung iba sa inyo is, may unfinished business ka dito sa person na to. Okay. And siguro pinag-iisipan mo pa kung kakausapin mo tong person na to or not. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo. Yes. Okay. So, kuha pa tayo ng one card. Oops, thank you. O, diba? Disagreement card. I wish you understood how I feel. Okay, you have an unfinished business with this person. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, malakas dito na meron kang conflict with this person. You have a disagreement. Okay, kayong dalawa. Okay, meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan dito. Hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, hindi kayo nakapag-usap ng maayos. Okay, and someone wants to need time to think about kung kakausapin na ba, okay, yung other person. Okay. Kasi siguro iba sa inyo, gusto mapag-isa. Okay. Reciprocity, I want to have equal give and take. Okay. So, maybe, okay, ikaw yung may gusto ng equal give and take while the other person, siguro, hindi nagkaroon ng equal give and take ito from the past. Kung ito man is past person. Okay. Yes. So, meron ako nakikita ganun, hindi nagkaroon ng equal give and take to from the past. Gusto ka nitong kausapin, hindi to basta-basta mag-give up itong person na to kasi feeling niya may unfinished business kayong dalawa. Okay, gusto niyang magkaintindihan kayo, magkapaliwanagan, makausap. Okay, gusto ka nitong tulungan. Oo. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo alam. Hindi nyo pa alam na gano'n yung nararamdaman nitong person na to. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. Tingnan natin yung messages niya. Ano ba gusto niya sabihin? Sa ating file number 2. Okay. Oops. Thank you. I feel you even though we are apart. I hide behind material things. May pera tong person na to. Yes, may pera to. This person wants to give you money. Oo. Gusto ko itong tulungan financially. Maybe this person wants to offer a help. Okay. Oops. Thank you. I couldn't let you get close to me. Maybe ikaw to, yung nagsabi nito. Kung sino man yung gustong mapag-isa pa at gustong mag-isip. O pwedeng nasaktan ka talaga nito before. Kaya ayaw mo munang makausap tong person na to. Someone is lying. Okay. Maybe this person lies to you. Nagsinungaling. Oops. Okay. Okay. Uy. The timing wasn't right for us. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, pwede nga yung separation nito, yung person na to is lang talaga, hindi tama yung timing. Okay? Kaya marami pa kayong, what I mean is, hindi lang tama, siguro. Nung nagkakilala kayo nito, nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito, kaya hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, yung isa nasa low situation siguro, tapos yung isa, yung hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, meron kayong miscommunication sa isa't isa, hindi kayo nag-usap. Kasi siguro yung isa, ayaw kausapin yung isa. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I wish I could share my good news with you. Okay, this person will share a good news sa'yo. Okay, soon. Kapag ka pumayag kang kausapin tong person na to, merong sasabihin to sa'yo. Ha? File number 2. Ano kaya yon? Ano kaya yung good news na yon? File number 2. Ha? Baka bibigyan ka niya ng, tutulungan ka niya, mag-i-invest siya sa'yo, or gusto ka nito maka-partner sa business. Okay, po pwedeng ganun. Okay, so tingnan pa natin ha. Ano ba yung love advice sa'yo? File number 2. Tumatalsik. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, open your eyes. If someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. If this person lies to you, wala namang masama na pakinggan mo muna yung sasabihin nitong person na to. Okay? Walang masama. Napakinggan mo muna yung story niya, kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita dito, this person wants to talk to you. Conversation. I want to call you. Tatawagan ka nito. Yes. Ano ba yun? Tatawagan ka nito. Wala akong nakita dito na naka-block tong person na to. Sa social media mo or what. Tatawagan ka nito. Nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. Okay? Maybe, okay, nung nagkaroon kayo ng communication nitong person na to or first connection ninyo, hindi tama yung timing niya sa isa't isa. Yung isa nasa down, hindi nagkaunawaan, kaya hindi kayo nagkaunawaan itong person na to when it comes to communication eh. Kasi hindi tama yung time. Pero ang sabi dito, wala namang mali, trust the process. Kasi yung connection nyo is a divinely timed. Okay? Gratitude. You need to be grateful for the love already present in your life to attract more of it. So, if you still want this person, walang masama na makapag-usap ka sa kanya. Sagutin mo yung tawag niya. Entertain mo pa rin siya. Katulad na sinabi ko doon sa pile number 1. Kung meron kayong unfinished business, ayusin nyo yun. Okay? Kasi hindi naman dirty offer yung i-offer niya sa'yo eh. Okay? This person still loves you, still into you. Okay? If meron man siyang nasabi before na dahilan kung bakit nag-lie siya or hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, pakinggan mo kung ano sasabihin niya. Ano yung dahilan? Next. Deception. Someone is wearing a mask in this relationship. Deception in both ways, okay? Pwedeng, if you still want this person, kausapin mo. Meron kasi ako nakukuhang ganon. Huwag ka magpabebe. Okay? Kasi this person wants to talk to you, wants to call you. Okay? Hindi to give up. May hope pa tong person na to. Hindi to mag-give up basta-basta. Okay? That is the other side of the story, yung deception. And maybe this person, kaya yung deception ko nandito kasi nga, regret lying sa'yo. So, kausapin mo muna siya, pakinggan mo kung ano sasabihin, ano yung dahilan, ba't nagsinungaling, ano yung nangyari, bakit merong miscommunication dito, ba't hindi nagkaintindihan. Walang masama, walang mawawala. File number 2. Okay? So, nasa sa inyo pa rin ng free will, file number 2. Kung ayaw nyo na, edi move on. Kung gusto niya pa, edi go. Huwag aksayahin ng oras kasi kapag nawala ang oras, hindi na maibabalik. Okay? File number 2. So, this is your general love reading. I hope nag-resonate sa iyo to, file number 2. Kung nag-resonate sa iyo at nakatulong, please do subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Okay? Kung hindi man, pwede kang manood ng file number 1. Baka may messages sa iyo doon. Okay? So, hindi ko na papatagalin. I will close this reading. Okay? So, maraming salamat. File number 2. Marami pa kayong aabangan sa channel ko, sa channel ni Luna. Okay, kaya stay tuned. Yung 2 lucky subscriber ko na sinasabi, okay, stay tuned lang kayo guys, okay? Kasi pipili ako ng 2 lucky subscriber ko na bibigyan ko ng free reading, okay? So, abangan nyo yan. Okay guys, so this is your reading file number 2. Magandang umaga sa iyo. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Okay, and God bless. Have a nice day. Bye!